Good morning, YouTube. Daniel Medina, my home group, Live to Give. I'm so excited that I finally hooked up my speaker correctly. So I've been speaking into this for the last couple months, but it was not reading. So the voice quality should be better. I hope that enhances your YouTube experience. I also updated the write-up in the channel, and you will see speedy improvements in my channel in the next following weeks and months to come. I'm really looking to really utilize this tool, this platform to really help more people and speak honestly and from the heart, and then from a professional place about what I see. So I'm going to start keeping videos to 4 minutes long, and then I'll do part 2, part 3, part 4 if I need to. And I'm also going to start adding shorts. Today's topic is what are some of the mistakes that I see sellers make with regards to selling their home. One of the first things that I see is that they don't start early enough the process of decluttering the home and packing stuff away. You will be surprised, especially if you kind of have a habit of kind of collecting, art, tools, whatever, how much stuff is in your home and how many things that you've packed into those closets in the garage from years to come. So you want to start selling, giving away, boxing. You want to have your home appeal to the most amount of people, and that's going to be minus declutter. It also means the yard. If you have shrubs or trees that are inhibiting walkways, you want the people to flow around your house and through your house and be able to see their things, their children, their family, their memories, their food, their art in your home. It doesn't always cost a lot of money to do that. Also, for sure, it depends on what your market is doing and what kind of strategy you want to utilize towards updating, and we'll do another topic for that on another day. The other thing that I see a lot of sellers making mistake is they're unrealistic to the value of their home. They're shooting for the moon, and they're seeing the last couple of years, and they don't realize how quickly markets change. And you would think because housing is so huge and it's such a big purchase that it's not going to change so quickly. Markets change quickly. Real estate markets change quickly, and so you're approaching the market from data that's 4, 5, 6 months old. You might be missing the boat and having your home sit on the market longer than it needs to. Okay, part of this is working with your agent. So if you have a good agent, you trust them, they should be able to provide you data to show you what your specific product, aka home, is selling for and what to expect. Sellers have a lot of emotion with their homes. For sure, we have emotion. We loved our homes. We poured our hard work and energy and sweat, tears, and blood into maintaining our homes and paying for our homes. Once you start to get emotional, then you're not coming at it from a grounded point of view. Being able to see what the other side of the equation is seeing is also extremely, extremely important. You want to also keep in the finish line in the back of your head as you're going through this process. So if you're just squeezing and squeezing and squeezing every step of the way, you may just blow the deal up, and then we have to go back again. And we want to move forward. We don't want to move back in this process. We want to move forward. And for sure, there's setbacks. So that's my 4 minutes today. Gosh, it goes by quick. Again, I'm so excited to be entering this spring. We know a lot of homes sell in spring, and I'm telling you, I've got a newfound energy, a passion for helping people, and we're going to do some great things this year. I hope you'll be a part of it. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Have a blessed day. Thank you.